Welcome. In this powerful subliminal session, you'll discover your natural ability to dance with grace, elegance, and confidence, just like a girl. Remember, the affirmations are embedded in the music, so don't skip the video and watch till the end for the best results. Use headphones for an enhanced experience and play this on loop while you sleep. Feel the rhythm flowing through your body. You move with the grace of a dancer. Your hips sway naturally, just like a woman's. You are in tune with the music, feeling it in your soul. You are confident in every move you make. Your hands and arms are delicate, fluid and expressive. You dance with feminine grace. Your body moves effortlessly. Your dance is beautiful and captivating. You are naturally in sync with your feminine energy. Your movements are smooth and elegant. You are the embodiment of grace. Every step you take is a reflection of your inner femininity. You are confident and powerful in your dance. You express yourself freely, just like a girl. Your body follows the music effortlessly. You are a natural-born dancer. You move with the elegance of a woman. Your confidence shines through every move. You are comfortable in your feminine body. You dance with joy and freedom. Your energy is magnetic, attracting everyone around you. You are powerful, confident, and feminine. You embrace your true self with every dance. You are a beautiful, confident woman. Your dance is an expression of your true self. Remember, these affirmations are working deep within your subconscious. With every loop, your transformation becomes more complete. Embrace your feminine dance and let your true self shine.